I'm Jay Wellman with Plug and Play Solar Kits, and today I'm going to show you how to easily boondock an RV or a trailer with a Humless and a solar panel. So today we've got the Humless 0.64 unit, which is the most affordable and smallest package, and I've got a 265 watt panel here that is going to be able to plug right into that. And then we're going to be able to take the shore power from the trailer, just plug it into the Humless, and just like that we'll have all our AC power working and we'll be off the DC system on the trailer. So to make things easy, Humless has put inputs on the top of their unit. We have 120 volt AC from a wall if you wanted to plug this unit at home and then move it to your RV, and or they've got a 12 to 50 volt DC input, positive and negative. This panel right here is a 40 volt DC. So they've made it real simple with some simple Anderson connectors from the MC cables on this to just plug in positive and negative right on the front. And right as I do that, the unit turns on and starts calculating, and it says that this thing will be 21 minutes until full. So that's pretty neat. And then using this unit, we'll be able to take our shore power from our RV, and you'll see that we also have an output section on the unit, and it's output 120 volt DC. We have a 12 volt out cigarette lighter, and then we have a 12 volt DC in the same Anderson clips. So if you had some 12 volt DC lighting or refrigerator, something for your car, something like that. But RVs usually just have a standard plug. Depending on what plug, you can always size it down. So we'll just be able to plug that straight in the front and turn that on. And so now you can hear the inverter running, and we actually have AC running to the trailer. So let's go check that out. So I'm here with my cell phone. I'm plugged into the AC power in the trailer, and you can see in the upper right hand corner that I'm in fact not charging. So I'm going to go turn on our Humless unit and we'll go from there. So the Humless unit has kicked on, and you can see that my phone's now charging. So now the whole trailer is powered. If you want to use any accessories around, it's just pretty much just like you're on shore power, but obviously you have a more limited battery bank. So you can see here that with the panel plugged in, we have 15 minutes to full, and I've got my cell phone still plugged in the trailer behind me. So we'll go ahead and turn on the AC switches to the shore power, and you can hear the inverter kick on, and you'll watch that the screen now adjusts from to full to empty. So now we have 3 hours and 52 minutes until this thing is drained, but as you can see, it's adjusting to that load, and it will either grow or get smaller. With this big of a panel, solar panel attached to this, you can be sure that this will be growing the distance, because it's actually going to charge the thing to a full and then sustain that charge until it's night. So if you wanted to watch a couple movies at night, charge a cell phone, charge a laptop, that wouldn't be a problem at all. It's a really sweet unit, and it's the easiest way that we've found to go to boondocking and have shore power at the same time. So to make things easy, most RVs and trailers will have a side cabinet that are perfect to making this secure. So an easy way to make this nice and clean would be to put a little hole here that you can put your shore power line through into your actual Humless unit, and go ahead and you can place that unit inside there, so you can leave that there while driving, and then when you stop you could go ahead and plug in your shore power. It'd just be a really nice way to make that clean and secure and keep this out of the elements. Thanks for joining us. Until our next video.